Hello everyone, a very warm welcome. I'm Prashant, manager of Edu Skills International. If OET has ever made you feel stressed, please pause. Your journey can change from this moment. So if you're preparing for OET, remember this, you are not alone. Your dream is possible, and your next chapter can begin today. Edu Skills is a non-profit platform. The OET training is absolutely free and no payments. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. Edu Skills believes in empowering the health professionals, especially those who are financially and emotionally struggling to crack OET. On behalf of Edu Skills International, I wish every OET aspirant success, confidence, and a bright future. Stay with us and get ready to meet your mentor, Reverend Dr. Saleen Joseph. Our mentor, educator, and guide. Our team will introduce him to you. See his vision and his passion.
Today, we introduce you to someone.
He is ready to walk this journey with you. Reverend Dr. Saleen Joseph. Reverend Dr. Saleen Joseph is a true guide. His teaching makes OET easier. You are not alone. Your dream is possible. And you won't hear about him from
just one person.
The Father Saleen is icon, and the youth today, if they will channelize that energy in a correct direction under the guidance like Father Saleen, then the youth can do wonders, and they are doing wonders. And Father Saleen, how easily, this is called the knowledge, the wisdom, those who are the thought leaders like Father Saleen, how easily and very simply he explained the complete philosophy of the examination of OET. When someone is working selflessly like Father Saleen, that is where we are lacking in India. Although there are fathers, a few people like Father Saleen, but still we require more Father Saleens in India so that no one will have any lack of knowledge, or at least they can crack exams, not only of OET, but all types of exams, if they will understand the basics of the language or the whatsoever the subject. The basic knowledge is required, because if your foundation is strong, then you can make multi-story building. But if your foundation is weak, whatsoever training you will take from here and there, as Father Saleen rightly said, training, the timing is not important. The important is the consistency. Never stop learning is the mantra which Father Saleen has given, experiential learning. Love whatsoever you are learning something. These are the mantras Father Saleen is really, I must say that that's what I initially said, that we require Father Saleen, such type of people across the India or across the world, so that the students will not face any problem in their life. So viewers, how those who have taken the training from Father Saleen Joseph in his Edu Skills International, the points which he has explained, and he has shown that if somebody will take those seriously, if they understand the basics, they can crack OET very simply. And it's not the only cracking the OET, or the future, which is very, very important. You are not only cracking the OET, you have to work there, you have to see the atmosphere. And for that, Edu Skills is doing something. I must not praise, it's not something which is a sponsored program. I will tell you, I never take a single penny from anyone. But because I found Father Saleen's Edu Skill is so beneficial for the youth, for those who wants to go abroad or those who wants to pursue their career in this field, they must go, because this is something which is a non-profitable organization giving you. One can watch on YouTube, one can learn from there, or contact directly Father Saleen on his see his website or the YouTube. There you will get all the information. But one thing is very clear today: if I feel satisfaction, sometimes I feel very much satisfied, which I felt today in this program, because the knowledge imparted by Father Saleen, it has clarified what is OET, how one should crack it. One should not feel scared of it, and one can do it with full confidence. Thank you very much. My sincere thanks to Father Saleen Joseph for developing. And I again say, I will always say, we require such types of more Father Saleen Joseph in the country, so that no student will have any problems for cracking any test in India or anywhere in the world.
They're not just teaching you, or it's not just giving the certificates. Here, what is happening in this Edu Skills International, they are changing your life, or it is a life-changing experience here. I have met a lot of people actually to discuss or to get ideas, but when I interacted with Father Saleen, his ideas, his plans, his intentions are noble and revolutionary. His methods, he is the topmost academician I have met in my life. After so many people, and you people who are already, the people who are already part of this institution, and those who are joining for IAS or graduation or any course, whatever is your preference, I guarantee that you will see the epitome. He is the person, or this is the place which can actually make you to reach the maximum level of height what you can reach in your life.